Hello guys again, my name is Andrew of course, and today we've got another unboxing, reviewing and testing of this POWERFIX Air Wedge set. Max load is 135 kilos, adjust, separate and protect. 2 packs included, use to temporarily adjust or move objects into the desired position, can be used to fit doors, windows or kitchen units. You can see some pictures here and here. Of course, I'm going to test it and we are going to find out all about how it works. Inside we've got of course the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice. There are 2 nice and hard plastic. We can see some pictures here what you can do, and from here you can fill it with air. It's not going anywhere, and then unscrew this and all the air will go away. We can see we've got the max expansion size is 50 millimeter. And let's move on for testing this product. Well, here we've got this washing machine, and I would like to see if it can handle to lift it enough, or I'm going to move it. Now let's see if the power of the air, it will lift my washing machine. And yes, here we are. Yes, I did have some, with no problem it has lifted. Next I have this refrigerate. Same thing, just push that inside and start pumping. See. And here we are, with no problemo, it lifts the refrigerate enough to make an adjustment. Again. And for my last test, I will try to lift this closet with many clothes inside. And let's put that here. And remember, we have 135 kilos, and yes, I can see I got a lift. Yep, small, but yes. Yep. Here you can see, right there, we've got about 3 millimeters of lifting. I don't think it can go further, but yes, this heavy closet, it has been lifted. Unless, yeah, and you can see it goes all the way down. Well guys, here we are. I think this is a great product. It has lifted my closet, my refrigerator and my washing machine with no problem. The last one, though it closed, it was very heavy, but it passed the test. It cost only 8 euros. Why not? If you want to have something like that to your home, it's only 8 euros. Just buy it. It will make your life easier. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like it, like my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And don't forget, hit the notification bell because more videos just like that are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.